Improving your English speaking skills involves consistent practice, active listening, and expanding your vocabulary. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. 1. Practice speaking regularly. Speak English daily, even if it's with yourself. Find a language partner or join a language exchange group to practice with native or fluent speakers. 2. Think in English. Try to stop translating from your native language to English. Thinking in English can help you respond faster in conversations. 3. Listen to English every day. Listen to English podcasts, watch English movies, or follow YouTube channels where you can pick up accents, slang, and common phrases. Focus on pronunciation, intonation, and natural expressions. 4. Imitate native speakers. Repeat what you hear from native speakers, especially how they structure sentences and use phrases. Try shadowing exercises, where you mimic what a speaker says right after they say it. 5. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing single words, focus on learning common phrases that you can use in daily conversations. 6. Record yourself speaking. Record yourself to analyze how you sound and find areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation or fluency. 7. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words every day, and practice using them in sentences to improve retention. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to help with vocabulary learning. 8. Join English-speaking groups or clubs. Join English-speaking clubs, online forums, or social media groups where you can participate in discussions. 9. Use English in your daily life. Set your phone, computer, and social media to English. Write to-do lists, notes, and diary entries in English. 10. Be confident and don't fear mistakes. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you speak, the more you learn. Confidence is key. 11. Use tongue twisters. Tongue twisters can help you improve your pronunciation and fluency by challenging your tongue and mouth muscles to work together efficiently. Examples: she sells seashells by the seashore, or red lorry, yellow lorry. 12. Engage in English conversations. The best way to improve is by actually conversing with others. Use language apps like HelloTalk or Tandem to connect with native speakers or learners. Participate in online webinars or live discussion groups. 13. Learn pronunciation rules. Focus on the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, to understand how to pronounce different sounds. Practice difficult sounds, like the th sound in think or the r sound in river. 14. Watch videos with subtitles. Watch TV shows, YouTube videos, or movies with English subtitles. Pay attention to how words are used in context. Try to repeat after the characters or presenters, mimicking their intonation and pace. 15. Use interactive apps. Use language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Pimsleur that offer speaking practice exercises. Some apps even use AI to simulate conversations for real-time practice. 16. Participate in public speaking or debates. Join a local Toastmasters club or participate in online debate groups to practice public speaking in English. This will help build confidence and fluency while talking in front of an audience. 17. Break down complex sentences. Break longer, complex sentences into smaller parts and practice speaking each part fluently. This helps in mastering difficult sentence structures. 18. Practice with graded readers. Use graded readers, simplified books written for learners, to practice both listening and speaking. Read aloud to improve your fluency and get comfortable with common sentence structures. 19. Practice specific situations. Prepare yourself for specific situations where you might need to speak English. For example, practice conversations for ordering food, asking for directions, or making small talk. 20. Use flashcards for phrasal verbs and idioms. Phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions are common in everyday English. Use flashcards to practice them in context. Example: get along with, meaning to have a good relationship with someone. 21. Focus on sentence stress and rhythm. English has a specific rhythm and stress pattern. Native speakers emphasize certain words within sentences, and you should practice this to sound more natural. Example: I didn't say he stole your money, the stressed words changed the meaning. 22. Take mock interviews in English. If you need English for professional purposes, practice by conducting mock interviews. This will build your confidence in formal conversation settings. 23. Create mind maps for conversations. Before having a conversation in English, create mind maps with key phrases or vocabulary you might need. This will prepare you for specific topics. 24. Use role-playing. Create scenarios where you can practice role-playing conversations. Whether it's a job interview, a doctor's appointment, or a customer service call, act out the conversation with a partner or on your own. 25. Join online courses. Enroll in online English-speaking courses like Coursera, Udemy, or BBC Learning English to get structured lessons on improving your speaking skills. 26. Watch English news channels. News channels like BBC, CNN, or Al Jazeera are great for learning formal and clear English. Try to repeat key points from news segments to practice speaking. 27. Sing along with English songs. Singing along with English songs helps with both rhythm and pronunciation. Pick songs with clear lyrics and try to sing without looking at the words. 28. Label your surroundings in English. Label common objects around your home or workplace in English. Each time you see the object, say its name in English out loud to reinforce your vocabulary. 29. Take part in English language challenges. Join a 30-day English speaking challenge, where you speak about a different topic every day. You can record yourself, join online challenges, or ask for feedback from a native speaker. 30. Celebrate small wins. Recognize the progress you make, even if it's small. Celebrating achievements like learning 10 new words or having your first fluent conversation can keep you motivated. By integrating these strategies into your routine, you'll build confidence, fluency, and a natural way of speaking English over time. Is there any specific method you'd like to focus on for your YouTube videos or personal practice? 31. Read regularly. Books, articles, and blogs. The more you read, the more words you'll encounter. Choose materials at or just above your current English level to keep it challenging but not overwhelming. Variety of genres. Read different types of texts, fiction, non-fiction, news, blogs, to expose yourself to diverse vocabulary. 32. Use flashcards. Digital flashcard apps like Anki or Quizlet allow you to create personalized decks of new words. Review them regularly to reinforce your memory. Spaced repetition. This technique ensures you review words at optimal intervals, helping with long-term retention. 33. Learn words in context. Instead of memorizing words in isolation, try to learn them in phrases or sentences. This helps you understand how they are used in real conversations or writing. Example: instead of learning, commit, learn, commit to doing something or commit a crime. 4. Keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words you come across along with their meanings and example sentences. Review your journal weekly to track progress. Try organizing words by categories, such as travel vocabulary, food vocabulary, or business vocabulary.